everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, they say necessity is the mother of all inventions, and this recipe is a perfect example. This year I had a huge harvest of red peppers from the garden, and I needed a creative way to tuck them into the pantry. So out of that little necessity came this delicious red pepper soup recipe. And to make it even simpler, I'm using my super cubes to portion it out and freeze it, so it's super easy to store and enjoy whenever I need that quick meal. So let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to make it. Red pepper soup, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 4 to 5 bell peppers that are obviously red, 1/2 cup cream, and 24 ounces of chicken stock. And I'm using my beautiful homemade chicken stock that I've canned using my 4 jars canning lids, and salt to taste. Next, we're going to prep our vegetables and get to cooking. Over medium heat in a large saucepan, we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to let that melt. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add our red bell peppers and our onion to the pot and saute it for a good 10 minutes. And as we're waiting for that to saute and soften, we're just gonna mince our garlic a while. I would suggest stirring the vegetables every few minutes, just so we get an even cook time. And I would stir them around so they get even cook every few minutes. The first time and the second time I had this soup, I had no idea what it was. It reminded me of tomato soup, and it was good. And then I finally asked my friend who made it for me, and she said it's red pepper soup. So you can easily have this with a warm grilled cheese sandwich. It is very good. In fact, I waited years later to ask my friend for her recipe, and unfortunately she forgot she even made it for me, and so she didn't have her recipe. So we're hoping this is very close to what she made. My mother-in-law's made this a few times, and she even used green bell peppers, and it still tasted really good. But I eat with my eyes, so we're definitely using red bell peppers from my garden. So we have about 30 seconds left on our simmering, so we're going to add our garlic, because you don't want to cook garlic too long in the saute process. Now we're going to have some aroma. That we already have some already with the onions. Let's get our chicken stock measured out. We need 3 cups. And listen to that seal. Now we're going to add our chicken stock. And we're going to reduce to a simmer and time it for 30 minutes. there's no reason to put a lid on it. So working in batches, we're gonna put this in our Vitamix and spray it really good. Make sure the lid's on tight. And very carefully, you can pour it back into your bowl. If you do not have a high-speed blender like I do, strain the soup through a strainer into the saucepan. It's still boiling in there, so be careful. Yep, not like me. Now this, probably on video, does not give this color justice. It is a beautiful orange. Now all these ingredients, minus the chicken, was homegrown on this farm, or my garden. The peppers, the onion, the garlic, and including our cream is all homegrown. So with that said, we're going to have to add some salt. My chicken stock does not have salt in it. And if you like black pepper, you can add 1/8 of a teaspoon. But whoever likes black pepper, to add it at the table. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to taste. I'm going to stir that around. And you want to taste before you serve it, but I'm sure it is delightful. Oh, like not so many bubbles. Alright, let's boil some of this up. It smells amazing with the garlic and the onion and the bell pepper. It's just... I don't think I need any toppings for this wonderful bowl of homegrown goodness. I decided to put sour cream in this soup. Do you add sour cream to your tomato soup? Let me know down below in the comment section.
Now the idea is I'm supposed to taste it and then comment. Shall I use one of Howard's or shall I?
You can use your own.
Oh, you don't want... Well, where do you think he learned his smart remarks?
If it's good enough, I don't think I'll get a smart remark.
It should be good. What's it supposed to be? This isn't the red beet soup.
It's the red pepper soup.
Oh, the red pepper soup. I'm sorry. Okay. Hey, it's good.
And there's not one green bell pepper in sight.
Well, it's good. You should make it again.
And not lose the recipe.
Yeah, I thought it was really good. Like, it was like nothing that I've ever had before. Like, it's kind of like, it looks like tomato soup and it kind of tastes like it, but it's got like a pepper taste, but it's not like overwhelming pepper taste. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Anyways, I thought it was really good.
I thought it was restaurant quality.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I ate that at Wild Aliens.
So this household thought it was a major hit. So we decided to use this recipe and get out our super cubes and freeze this soup. And we made 8 batches of this soup to freeze. Remember back in the day when Mom would use old dairy containers like from sour cream and cottage cheese to freeze soup? Well, this makes it so much easier since you have fill lines on the side to measure out 1 or 2 cups of soup, and they pop right out of the containers and you can actually put them in Ziploc bags or food saver bags to save on freezer burn. And it makes them so easy to stack in your freezer.
That's your best one yet.
Best one on what?
That soup.
Oh, so you'll eat this again?
Yeah, well, don't give it away either.
What did you say about tomato soup?
This is better than tomato soup.
If you made it to the end of this video and enjoying the content of this channel, may I suggest you watching this next? Take care and God bless.